France has taken an important step in adapting its Rafale fighter to the growing threat of one-way attack drones. The country's defense procurement agency has successfully completed the LADAC program, integrating low-cost 68mm laser-guided rockets into the Rafale to engage Shahed-style drones. The first operational systems are expected to enter service with the French Air and Space Force this month, marking a significant shift in how modern fighter aircraft can respond to mass drone attacks without relying on expensive air-to-air missiles. The new capability comes in response to lessons learned from recent conflicts, where low-cost drones have become one of the most persistent threats on the battlefield. Iranian-designed Shahed drones and similar one-way attack systems have repeatedly demonstrated that inexpensive unmanned aircraft can force defenders to use interceptor missiles that cost many times more than the targets themselves. Over time, that imbalance places pressure not only on military budgets but also on missile stockpiles. France's answer is to change the economics of air defense. Instead of using advanced MICA missiles against every drone, Rafale pilots will be able to engage these slower aerial threats with laser-guided 68mm rockets. Although these rockets have a shorter engagement range, they provide enough precision to destroy drones while dramatically reducing the cost of each interception. The LADAC program also reflects a broader evolution in air warfare. Fighter aircraft are no longer designed only to defeat enemy jets. They are increasingly expected to defend cities, military bases, and critical infrastructure from continuous drone attacks. As a result, flexibility and cost efficiency are becoming just as valuable as speed, stealth, and firepower. The Rafale is particularly well suited for this role because of its highly adaptable design. Developed by Dassault Aviation, the twin-engine multi-role fighter performs air superiority, precision strike, reconnaissance, nuclear deterrence, and carrier-based operations. Its open architecture allows new weapons, sensors, and mission software to be integrated relatively quickly, enabling the aircraft to evolve alongside changing battlefield requirements. This development could also have implications beyond France. Reports have suggested that Ukraine may receive Rafale fighters in the future. While there is no confirmation that the LADAC capability would be included, the concept itself highlights a growing trend among Western air forces, creating affordable methods to defeat large numbers of drones while preserving expensive missiles for high-value targets such as combat aircraft or cruise missiles. The broader lesson extends well beyond a single aircraft. Future conflicts are likely to feature even larger drone swarms, making sustainable air defense a strategic necessity rather than simply an operational advantage. Air forces that can defeat threats efficiently without rapidly exhausting their missile inventories will hold a significant long-term advantage. France's latest Rafale upgrade shows that modern air combat is no longer defined only by advanced missiles or cutting-edge fighters. Success will also depend on using the right weapon against the right target at the right cost. As drone warfare continues to reshape military strategy, affordable interception could become one of the defining features of next-generation air power.